Hey there guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to change your leverage on the MetaTrader 5. So at first go to your one of your trading websites. That's here is Blackpool, you can see. So as you can see, here's the MetaTrader 5 where its leverage is 1:400. So to change it, you gotta go to the settings icon here, as you can see, this settings icon. Just click on it. After that, this page will come up where you can see the change leverage and nickname option. So after that, click on it. And as you can see, here's the option to change your leverage. So just click on it and you can have many options to change your leverage to. So let's say we'll select 500 here. After that, just click here on submit and you're done changing your leverage on MetaTrader 5. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching and take care.